Mega shout out. Welcome to Pure Stone Heart once again. This is your good friend Pure Stone Heart, and for today's video, again, what else I can do now? You know, we will do unboxing again. I saw one of the site which I used to order, which I have received just recently this morning. Okay. So I ordered another pair of shoes. Yeah, again. So let's open this one, guys. I'm so excited. This is very nice, guys, and I love the color, but let's check if this is the same in the online. Palladium pair of shoes again. 9 US men. See? Then, wow. So it says it's Star White. Palashak Recraft. He has a very nice guy. Never pair of shoes. Yeah, this one. I love it. I love the combination of the color. Yeah. See? The red one here, it's very nice. And it's only 120, I believe. How much it says here? $82 plus $60, that is, no, $120. Yes, this is $120. The amount is $120. So again, I have another new pair of shoes. Love it. And I previously buy different kind of different style before, and this is one new spikes. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.